Hi everyone, this is Nived. So in this video, I will be demonstrating on how to use the TagUI Robocop library so that you can able to write TagUI script in the Robocop lab. So this is the GitHub repository for the TagUI Robocop library, and below you can find the description on how to use this library. So now let's start. So first, to use this library, first you have to download the code by clicking on the code button. Let me download the zip and click on save. Now you need to extract the files from this zip file. Now you can see that we had extracted the folder from this zip file, and you can find there are some files that are being available in this folder apart from the license and readme. You can find the tagui underscore robocop zip file, which is actually a sample robocop workflow which has been attached in the code for a reference on how to use this library. And second is the tagui underscore script Python file. It is actually the library that we are going to use in our Robocop lab for writing our tagui script. So let's start doing that. So first create a Robocop workflow. So already I had created a workflow that is sample underscore board. So after creating the workflow, first what you have to do is you have to copy the tagui underscore script to this workflow. Okay, so let me copy that tagui underscore script to this workflow folder. So this is a workflow folder, and I am copying the tagui underscore script here. So now you can see that this tagui underscore script is being copied to our workflow folder. So now let's start writing our tagui script in the Robocop. So let me open the task.robot. So to write the tagui script in the Robocop, first you have to import the tagui underscore script library. So let me import the tagui underscore script library, tagui underscore script. Now for a demonstration, I am writing a English uh, script on tagui. Okay, since we know that we can able to write tagui script in different languages, but for a sample demonstration, I am writing a tagui script in English language. So let me create a keyword cell. Yeah. So let me give a keyword a name, that is run English script. Okay. So now to run a tagui script in Robocop, first we had to use run script keyword, which is coming under tagui underscore script library. So let me specify the run script keyword. 1, 2, 3, 4 run script. Okay. Now to this keyword, that is the run script keyword, we have to specify some parameters. So the first parameter is the language, because we know that we can write the tagui script in different languages. We first have to specify on which language we are going to write the tagui script. So for a sample demonstration, I am writing in English language. I have to specify the language parameter as English, and the other parameters would be the tagui script which I am going to automate. So let me write the first parameter, that is English. So here we are specifying the parameter to this run script keyword line by line. So for specifying the parameter line by line, we are representing by 3 dots. English. Now the next parameter would be our tagui script. And actually for a sample demonstration, I am using this tagui script. Let me copy this from the documentation part itself. So this is the tagui script I am going to automate. So this tagui script actually helps to log to a particular website by typing username and password, and last it will echo a word log to the Robocop console. So let me just copy this keyword. So copy this tagui script. Okay. Yeah. So let me just yeah. Okay. So what does this uh, automation will try to log to a particular website, type the username and password, and click on login button. Then it will echo a word logged to the Robocop console. So this is our tag UI script, and this is our language parameter. So now we can just run this script. So let me specify this keyword name in the task cell. Copy this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's run this tag UI script. Let me click on restart. Now you can see that our robot is actually opening the particular website. Then it will type the username and password. Then it will click on the login button. You can see that since our password was wrong, that's why it was not able to log to this particular website. But it has to do the required action. And after clicking on the login, it will output the word logged in the Robocop console that you can see here. Okay, so this is how you can able to. This is how we can write the tag UI script in the Robocop lab using this run script keyword, which is coming under this tag UI underscore script library. So here we had returned the tag UI script in English languages, but it is also possible that we can write the tag UI script in other languages. So the documentation also I had provided a certain example for this. You can see that this is the tag UI script which is running in Robocop in Hindi language. This is the tag UI script which is actually being running for Chinese language, and this is the tag UI script which is being running for Russian language. So so we can see that the first parameter should be the language, and the second parameter, third other parameter should be the tag US script that we are going to automate. Let's just copy this here and run it in our Robocop lab to see whether it is working fine or not. Let me just delete this one. Yeah. Let me just specify the keyword name as run Hindi. Yeah. So now let's run it to see whether it's working fine or not. Yeah, you can see that it is opening the particular website. Actually, it is the same automation that we had done earlier. You can see logging to the Zero website by typing the username and password. Yeah, you can see that it has done the operation successfully. Since we had not provided the echo word here, that is why it doesn't output any word in the Robocop console. It is actually terminating by clicking on the login button itself. Okay. Similarly, we can do for other languages also. So what while doing for other languages, you have to specify the language type. Then you have to write the tag UI script in the languages, because for tag we had specified here other in the Hindi language itself, the translation of Hindi language. Okay. So this is how you can write tag UI script in Robocop. We have seen how we can write tag UI script in English language and for other languages. Now there are certain cases where you have to store the data. For example, we are getting some output through a tag UI automation, and we need to store them in a particular variable. It is also possible here. So if you go back to our previous case, let me just move. Let me just yeah. If you let me copy this here to give you a better understanding on this. Uh, yeah, let me specify run the script. Now, if you look here, sometimes you may need to store the output of this particular tag US script. So here you can see that it is echoing a word log. Now you need to store this word log in a particular variable so that it can be used by the Robocop library or Robocop process to validate or something here. Okay, so let me need So we need to store this logged keyword. So to store this logged keyword, what we can do is we can specify a variable here. Okay, let me just specify a variable output. Okay, yeah. So this output is actually a type of list variable which will actually store the output of this tag UI script, which is being run by using run script keyword. Okay, so we can see that. Let me just print this to Robocop console. So for that, I need to import another library, that is rpa.core.notebook. Let me just print that to Robocop console by using notebook print. So I'm printing this output variable here, so that you can see what is actually the type of output of this output variable. Let me just run this. Now you can see that it is doing the same operation of opening the website, typing the username and password. Now you can see that you can see the two outputs. One is the output from the Robocop console when we use echo log, and the second is the output that is coming from the notebook print, that is log. The same output, but you can see that the output is a type of what, the list type. You can see it is being specified in a list type. You can see here two brackets here. Between that we have specified the word log. So this is actually an element in a list. You can loop through this list to get the data one by one. Okay. So this is all about my Tag UI Robocop library. So use it and let me know if you need any features etc. in the Robocop library so that we can update it more further. So I will put the GitHub link in the video description. Thank you.